All right, so students, don't forget to take advantage of the grab-and-go meals that we're providing. Please note that it's not just here at the high school, but we're also providing those at your local elementary schools. So just make sure that you're getting a good, decent meal every day. You're getting out and getting some sun. If you can even maybe walk to the campus to grab it, but if not, if you're driving by, know that we have them really close to where you're living right now. All right, so students, one of the things you've got to know is that we want you to be able to have access to the curriculum for this time while we're out. And while we're out, the big thing is we have a paper version of everything that we have online. If you have online access, if you have the technology you need, we prefer that that be your primary point for you to be able to access your work and stay in contact with your teachers. But if you do not have the technology that you need, you don't have a computer, you don't have a laptop or Wi-Fi connectivity at your house, we have paper versions ready for you to come pick up. We'll be open from 7:45 till 6:30 in the evening, starting Friday of this week all the way to Friday of next week. So please know we're here for you, we're available. Also next week, I'll be sending out a schedule to you to make you aware of when we're also going to be at your local elementary schools being able to distribute the paper versions if you do not have technology access.
All right, so obviously we're at the high school, so it's going to be a little bit different than the elementary schools, but I do want to show you what the high school is doing. So as you can see, the high school obviously has their packets broken down into so many different subjects. The high school staff has just done a tremendous job of preparing these and getting these ready for our students.
8, 6,